Here's some penny black stamp trivia. Subscribe. What year was the penny black issued? Is it A, 1840, B, 1835, C, 1865, or D, 1852? The correct answer is A, 1840. Which country first used the penny black? Is it A, United Kingdom, B, United States, C, Germany, or D, France? The correct answer is A, United Kingdom. What color is the penny black? Is it A, black, B, blue, C, red, or D, green? The correct answer is A, black. What was the face value of the penny black? Is it A, 2 pence, B, 1 shilling, C, half penny, or D, 1 penny? The correct answer is D, 1 penny. How many prints of the penny black were made? Is it A, 5 million, B, 32 million, C, around 68 million, or D, 120 million? The correct answer is C, around 68 million. Which printing technique was used for the penny black? Is it A, lithography, B, engraving, C, offset printing, or D, digital printing? The correct answer is A, lithography. What was the primary purpose of the penny black? Is it A, tax collection, B, advertising campaign, C, prepaid postage, or D, government identification? The correct answer is C, prepaid postage. What is the significance of the penny black in history? Is it A, first printed currency, B, first adhesive postage stamp, C, first coin minting, or D, first postal service? The correct answer is B, first adhesive postage stamp. What was the primary material used for the penny black? Is it A, plastic, B, cotton, C, wood, or D, paper? The correct answer is D, paper. Which postal reformer is associated with the penny black? Is it A, Thomas Edison, B, William Godwin, C, James Addison, or D, Rowland Hill? The correct answer is D, Rowland Hill. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.